Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing simple blockers. Confirm your username, email, or phone exactly and paste it to avoid typos. Next, make sure your device has working internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to rule out network DNS or proxy issues. Once connected, force close TikTok and clear the app cache so stale tokens are removed. This often fixes failed auth attempts. If prompted, choose the secure send code or reset password option so you can continue the recovery steps. Now you move into recovery. Choose Forgot Password and request a code via the phone or email tied to the account because this verifies ownership. While waiting, inspect SMS filters and email spam or promotions so codes aren't lost, and request a new code after about 60 seconds if it doesn't arrive. Once you have the code, enter it promptly. If it fails, try signing in on a different phone or the web to determine whether the issue is device-specific or account-related. Finish by resetting your password to a strong, unique one and save it in a password manager so you won't repeat recovery. Make sure the TikTok app and your device OS are updated. If problems persist, fully reinstall the app to clear corrupted files. If none of that works, contact support and include screenshots, device model, app version, and exact error messages so they can trace the issue. Quick troubleshooting tip. Try a different network or VPN. Network blocks often cause login failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.